Hello, welcome back to my aerospace. Among most intricately painted commercial airplanes, US-based Alaska Airlines Boeing 737 livery is an interesting one. It showcases 129 feet long giant salmon fish on its fuselage. It's something unique. Take a look at it. This video is not to discuss fish and aircraft, but we can have an interesting discussion around fishbone and aircraft maintenance. A fishbone diagram is a visualization tool for categorizing potential issues of a problem. Using this tool, managers can track down reasons for imperfection, variations, and failures. Sometimes it is difficult to spot root cause of a problem, and often only symptoms get treated, leaving behind the real reason for the problem. Cause and effect diagram, also known as fishbone diagram, is a powerful tool to understand the root cause of the problem. Now let's build a fishbone diagram using a situation where flight is cancelled due to technical delay. Now let me take you through an example. Flight 1234 is scheduled for departure to London. Around 200 passengers are booked on this flight. But aircraft is still at the hangar, undergoing scheduled maintenance. Though work is in progress, maintenance manager realizes that aircraft cannot be released on time because there are pending work. Finally, maintenance management declares AOG and grounds the aircraft, which leads to cancellation of flight. And when flight is cancelled, pressure mounts at the front desk of the airline counter. The London flight is cancelled because technical could not release the aircraft on time. Whose fault is that? Is it engineering, supply chain, production planning, or hangar maintenance? Who? Now let's analyze the root cause using the fishbone diagram. Let's go step by step. First step, identify the core problem, and that becomes your header. In this case, technical delay in releasing the aircraft to service is the core problem. Let's work around that problem. Each participant must identify reasons for the problem from his work perspective, and the organizer will start noting down under 6 M's. What is 6 M? The 6 M's are man, machine, method, measurement, material, and Mother Nature. These headers will go to fishbone diagram, and all the issues will be placed under these headers. As we brainstorm, number of issues will be put on the table. 6 M's help identifying these issues under a banner based on the nature of the problem. When a single cause seems to fall under different categories, you need not worry. Take a quick vote and move forward. Now you know different causes for maintenance delay which led to a cancellation of London flight. Let's understand them better based on the nature of the problem. If the cause is within your ability to solve, mark them under category called C, that is controllable. If you think it cannot be solved immediately and needs trial and error, then mark them under X, that is experimental. If the cause is not within your ability to control, then mark them under N, that is noise, which may require preventive measures because it is not within your ability to control. It may have external parties involved. Now once again, quickly look at building the fishbone diagram again. Fishbone diagram is a visual tool, easy to understand and analyze problems. Very effective in identifying root cause of the problem, and when you know issues, it helps improving the process. It involves in-depth discussion which leads to cross-functional teams to get together and have a better understanding of each other. As we conclude, I would say, understanding these factors, you can get solution faster and prevent reoccurrence. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to know more about Fishbone diagram and its application in aircraft maintenance, please feel free to reach me. My contact details are given in this video. But before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and get alerts for the videos uploaded. Thank you very much.